The UGC guidelines on final year examinations are binding in nature, a senior official of HRD Ministry told, even as 4 states have returned to the union government in protest. On July 6, the higher education regulator advised all the institutions to hold examinations for terminal semester or final year by September end. At least 4 states, West Bengal, Odisha, Maharashtra, and Punjab, have objected to the UGC's guidelines since and expressed their inability to comply. On Friday, a senior Congress leader, Rahul Gandhi, joined the course of protest and said exams should be cancelled and students promoted on the basis of past performance. Our aim is not to compare BJP and Congress. Rather, we want to say that states which is refusing to conduct exams is non-BJP states. So, question is that will all the states with BJP government are corona free? They don't have any objection with this UGC's decision. The union government, however, is unlikely to withdraw the exam-related guidelines. In fact, the UGC will insist these are adopted by all the universities and colleges. Without examinations, the degree will not hold any values and will affect the employability of this batch. Should we adopt a populist approach or promote everyone en masse or keep the future of these students in mind? A senior official of HRD Ministry said. The official added that state government cannot decide the fate of the examinations since the UGC is empowered by law to issue guidelines on the conduct of examination. Section 12 of UGC Act 1956 clearly states that UGC can take all such steps as it may think fit for the promotion and coordination of university education and for the determination and maintenance of standards of teaching, examination and research in the universities, a UGC official said. And under the 2003 UGC regulation on grant of first degree, university have to adopt exam-related guidelines issued by the commission from time to time, the official added. The commission and the HRD ministry haven't replied to the letters written by the state governments yet. Asked how government will conduct exams if their buildings are being used for quarantine, the UGC official said. Universities have time till September to conduct exams and they have the autonomy to decide how they want to do it. And not all the educational institutes are being used for quarantine. On Friday, the Congress launched a social media campaign with several top leaders putting out videos, messages, slamming the UGC and asking it to reconsider its decision.
कोविड ने बहुत लोगों को नुकसान पहुंचाया। हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, स्कूल्स में, कॉलेजेस में, यूनिवर्सिटीज में, उनको बहुत कष्ट सहना पड़ा। आईआईटीज ने, कॉलेजेस ने एग्जाम्स कैंसिल करके बच्चों को प्रमोट किया। यूजीसी कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट कर, यूजीसी को भी एग्जाम्स कैंसिल करके पास परफॉर्मेंस के बेसिस पे बच्चों को प्रमोट कर देना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
What are your point of view regarding this matter? Please let us know in comment section below. And if you are watching this video on Instagram, do follow our page. And if you are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.